Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you about the VLAN. Okay, open the application Cisco Packet Tracer on desktop. Click two times. Wait 4 minutes. This video VLAN same the topology allowed VLAN, or VLAN. Open your file VLAN. File open. This okay. In the previous lab, namely configuration VLAN and VLAN trunking between VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, they have not been able to communicate with each other or ping because the network is different. Example, test ping VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. This failed. Example, test ping VLAN 10 to VLAN 10 successful. Why? But they have not been able to communicate with each other or ping because the network is different. In this lab, we will configure interVLAN which in the function to connect between VLANs using a router. Okay, in this video, choose the router. In routers example, choose the routers 2811. This is config connect to cable in switch 1 to router 0. Okay, and configure interVLAN this trunk switch 1 to switch 0 and switch 1 to router 0. In configure interVLAN in router 0. Okay, open the router 0. Cell I. No. Enable configure terminal. Okay, enter to interface Ethernet 0 0. Interface Ethernet 0 0. No shutdown and exit. Next, you configure sub-interface the VLAN. Example, interface 0 0 and sub-interface dot example 10 VLAN 10. Okay, enter this up. Next, you configure the IP address, IP gateway in network 10. This example 10.10.1 and traffic. Okay, this is IP address 10.10.1 and traffic. Okay. In this notification, configure IP routing on LAN sub-interface is allowed if that the configure encapsulation configure encapsulation in interface sub-interface VLAN 10 in configuration encapsulation the static queue 1 queue and configure IP address. 10.10.1 and prefix. Okay, successful. And next, configure the sub interface VLAN 20. Okay, and calculation 21q.1.1q and 20 the address 21 and prefix. Okay, and next this VLAN 13. Okay, calculation 1q 13 address the gateway VLAN 13 and prefix. Okay, next configure trunk switch 1 to interface fast Ethernet 5. Open the switch 1 cell I, enable configure terminal fast 05 switch mode trunk. Okay, exit. Next, testing VLAN 10 to 10 successful and VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. Okay, in this videos pilot, but in this device not configure gateway. This is no configure default gateway. You input gateway from the router 0 and 1. Okay, and VLAN 20 gateway VLAN 10 some 21 and VLAN I'm sorry in VLAN 10 10.10.1 and VLAN 20.21. Okay, configure gateway finish fast forward and delete example testing VLAN 10 to VLAN 10. Okay, successful VLAN 10 to routers successful and example ping VLAN 20 and 20 successful VLAN 13 to 13 pilot. But in the switch, this configure allowed VLAN. Okay, in this successful VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, not VLAN 13. Okay, next testing VLAN 20 to routers successful VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. Okay, successful. In videos in the VLAN successful VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 successful ping. Okay, now for me in this video. See you next time. Bye bye.